Perfect. Perfect.
Hey sweet babies, welcome back to my channel. If you are new here, welcome. So today y'all, I wanted to show y'all a mousse that I've been using off camera and I have been loving it, so I wanted to bring it on camera so y'all can see it. Now I know for sure that y'all been walking past this mousse in the hair store and just looking at it like I don't want to use that, because it's not a new mousse, it's an old mousse that has been around forever. But y'all, the first couple times I used it, I was like, oh, this mousse is nice. So as you can see, I have most of my hair already rolled up and I have my old school magnetic snap-on rollers, and I love these rollers. I've been loving them since back in the day. If you're a person that has an issue like with your rod sets, like your perm rod sets and your flexi rod sets, and your ends always come out frizzy and you can't never just seem to get the hair to wrap around right, try these rollers, because the way these rollers are designed, your ends are already tucked in and flat and you just snap the top on, and girl, you just gotta know how to roll them so you don't get them granny curls. But you know, you just roll them in a spiral motion on the roller and see how that works. I'm gonna go ahead and finish rolling the top of my head and tell y'all what I love about this mousse. So first thing I like about this mousse is it is hella affordable. This mousse is less than $5. Y'all know y'all love a good affordable product. I mean, we all do, right? So when I saw this mousse and I was like, okay, it's under $5, but is it gonna give me what I need, what I want? Let's give it a try. It's cheap, right? So I got the mousse and I was like, okay, it feels so nice and fluffy. Like, I really like this mousse. You don't need a lot of it. As you can see, like, it's a nice fluffy mousse, not too watery and runny. You know, some of them, they just start running down your hand as soon as you put them on. And this one is not like that, so I do like that it has like some weight to it. You know what I mean? It's gonna give me something. It's not sticky, even though I don't mind a sticky mousse, like kind of like the Main Choice Pink Lemonade one. I really like that, but it is hella sticky. But this one is not sticky at all. Nice, fluffy, soft. And y'all, it feels moisturizing. Like, okay, so y'all gonna see with this, I didn't even use a leave-in. I just shampooed my hair, I deep conditioned my hair, I sprayed like some heat protectant and protein, you know, stuff on my hair when I was blow drying it. But other than that, I have not used a leave-in conditioner, and you're gonna see why, because this is a nice moisturizing mousse. Now of course I recommend everybody use a leave-in, use your favorite leave-in, but the bottle does say that it's a moisturizing mousse. Also, have you ever used a mousse that had some slip to it? Because this one does, which I was definitely shocked and surprised about, because how many mousses do you use that actually have some kind of slip to it? Of course my hair is already blown out, but you see how the comb is just gliding through my hair with this mousse on it. I definitely been wanting to get into styling my hair more with mousse, because mousse is affordable, it's like lightweight, so it doesn't take your hair forever to dry. Some of the mousses I've been using lately have really had some real nice hold. I know a lot of us like to use our mousses for our twist outs, which I've been enjoying mousses for twist outs too. Some people use them for wash and goes. And mousse is one of those products, like, if you need to retwist it, you can, because it's just mousse, you know. Put a little water on your hair, put some more mousse on, and you good, and you don't have like a whole bunch of product buildup. So that's another thing I like about using mousse too. So we're using an old school mousse, old school rollers, but let's see if we're gonna have some new hair, okay? And if you haven't been using mousse as a styler, like, you definitely need to get into it. It's just so quick, convenient, dries quick. So I got my hair all rolled up. I used the pink and peach, which are the same size, up mostly on the top, and then I put the bigger ones kind of at the bottom so I can get a little bit more length, because you know sometimes rollers can make your hair look a little tight. So we're gonna see tomorrow how my hair looks when it dries, and I'll let you know about this amazing new old mousse I've been using. Be right back. I ain't gonna let y'all wait no more. I'm bringing this back for 2021 because, honey, y'all need to be using it. And it is the Bronner Brothers moisturizing wrapping lotion. So I used this before on a twist out, and I did use a leave-in, a moisturizing leave-in, and my twist out was popping. It had definition, it had a nice soft hold, but it was just so nice and moisturized and all of that. So this time I used it on blown out hair with no leave-in because it says it's moisturizing, and it is. Look at this hair, y'all. I have a shine, I have a bounce, I have a nice hold. Like, the hair is moisturized and it looks good. It doesn't look dry, it doesn't feel dry. The shine is just beautiful. Like, I'm loving this hair. I have been using this mousse. It's all the way down here, so y'all know I've been using it. And when I say y'all need to try this mousse, it's $5. You won't go wrong trying this mousse, but you will go wrong if you don't try it, because this is the mousse of 2021. I said it. I said it. I'm bringing it back for 2021. Y'all need to run out and go get this mousse because it's fire. I mean, look at us. Look at us. We are looking good with this. Like, y'all have to give this a try. Like, I can't say too much more about it. Like, even though it's a mousse, like, it's a fire mousse. Like, it's good. I don't know what other styles I'm going to try with this, but I will continue to use this, and I will definitely be repurchasing this. I can't believe we all just been kind of sleep on this. Like, we walk past this in the hair store all the time. Don't even, like, give it a second look. We always looking for some new mousse or something. This right here, girl, you need it. And y'all know I don't be hyping up products. Y'all know I don't be hyping up products. Like, if I'm telling you to go get this, go get this. And if you don't like it, it was $5. Like, come on. And don't, like, get it on sale from Sally's. Like, I mean, what, you gonna pay $2 for it? Come on. Like, I cannot wait to get my hands on more of these. I will definitely have these in my stash. So, y'all let me know if you have used this mousse before, if you are going to try this mousse. Please, please, please let me know if you love it. Make sure you like this video. Definitely share this video. Subscribe if you already haven't. And I will see y'all in the next one. Bye.